During the past 24 hours, our joint investigative team fielded nearly 500 tips from those in and around the Nashville metro area. We deeply appreciate the ongoing support and cooperation from the community and wish for it to continue. We have no indication of additional explosive threats. No other explosive devices were discovered during the area during our secondary sweep yesterday.
Officers responded to a shots fired call and didn't have any idea what else was going on. It was a typical police call, and as they arrived, they saw an RV that was giving out a message saying it would detonate within 15 minutes, a countdown would go, music would play, and instead of taking it as just maybe a threat and calling in and getting resources, they immediately began knocking on doors. They coordinated the resources to get everyone evacuated and out.